Isang top security official ang kumalas sa Trump administration dahil sa giyera ng Israel at Amerika sa Iran. Hindi naman ito ikinalungkot o ikinabahala ni US President Donald Trump. Ang detalye sa agenda report ni Francis Polve.
May casualty of war na ang Trump administration. Nag-resign ng top US counter-terrorism official na si Joseph Kent dahil tutol siya sa opensiba ng Israel at Amerika sa Iran. Anya, Iran posed no imminent threat. Sabay sisi sa Israel bilang pasimuno umano ng gera. Agad naman itong binuweltahan ni US President Donald Trump.
I didn't know him well, but I thought he seemed like a pretty nice guy. But when I read his statement, I realized that it's a good thing that he's out because he said that Iran was not a threat. Iran was a threat. Every country realized what a threat Iran was. The question is whether or not they wanted to do something about it.
Hindi rin masaya si Trump sa tila pang-iisnab ng mga kaalyado sa panawagan niyang tumulong sa pagbabantay sa Strait of Hormuz.
I think NATO's making a very foolish mistake, and I've long said that, I wonder whether or not NATO would ever be there for us. So this was a great test because we don't need them, but they should have been there. So everyone agrees with us, but they don't want to help. And we as the United States have to remember that because we think it's pretty shocking.
Naglunsad naman ng panibagong missile barrage ang Iran sa Israel. Ganti nila sa pagkamatay ni Iranian Security Chief Ali Larihani. Nasa ikatlong linggo na ang krisis sa Middle East at wala pa ring katiyakan kung kailan ito matatapos. Para sa agenda, Francis Polbe, Billionario News Channel.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Billionario News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga bago at eksklusibong balita.